Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to solve one of the most tedious tasks in any office, creating custom PDFs. You have a long list of customers, students, or products, and you have your beautiful invoice template, ready to go. The problem is you have to manually copy, paste, save as PDF, over and over. It takes hours. What if you could turn this entire list into hundreds of perfectly named custom PDFs with one single click? Watch this. I'll go up to our custom menu, and I'll click Generate Invoices. The script immediately starts working. You can see it's processing each row and writing the final file name back to our sheet in real time. And watch this. If we go to our Config tab, it just populated cell C11 with a direct link to the new folder it created just for this batch. We'll use that in a second. And it's done. We get this process complete dialog. It tells us 5 PDFs were successfully created. Now I can just click Open Folder in Drive. And just like that, here is our new time-stamped folder. Inside are all 5 of our PDFs. Let's open one. INV0005. And it's the perfect custom invoice for that client. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how this tool works and how you can set it up for yourself. This entire system works using 3 key tabs. First, you have your data source. I'm calling it Customers. All that matters here is that you have a unique ID. For me, that's Customer ID. And a column for your expected file name. Second, you have the Target template. This is your invoice or certificate. The most important part of this sheet is that it's driven by one single cell. For me, it's cell B10. All this other information, the name, the address, the items, is just pulling data using VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP formulas that all reference this one ID. Watch. If I manually change this ID from C0005 to C0002, the entire invoice instantly updates for example pet store. The script simply automates this one-cell change for every row. And third, the most important tab, the Gen PDF config sheet. This is the brains of the operation, and the best part is you configure everything right here. No coding required. Let's walk through the settings. First, you just tell the script your sheet names. The source sheet is Customers. The destination sheet is Target template. Then, you map them together. You tell it, take the key from column A and paste it into cell B10 on the template. You tell it where to get the file name, column G, and where to put the result, column H. Here, you paste the ID of your main Invoices folder in Google Drive, and you give your new folders a prefix like PDF generator. And cell C11 is the one we saw. The script automatically puts the new folder's link here after every run so you never lose it. But it gets even better. Down here, you have full control over the PDF export. You can set the paper size, the page orientation, and the scale, fit to page, actual size, and so on. And finally, you set the export range. I've set it to A1 to I27, which perfectly covers my invoice, so it won't print all this extra empty space. This script also has 2 very smart features. The first is this run counter in cell B1. Notice it's now 7. This is the script's bookmark. It means it's ready to start on row 7, which is the next empty row. If you have 5,000 rows, Google will time out after 6 minutes. With this script, it's not a problem. You just click Generate Invoices again. The script will read the counter, see it's on 7, and pick up exactly where it left off. No duplicates, no fuss. When you're ready to start a new batch from the beginning, you just go to the Custom menu and click Reset Run Counter. It gives you a confirmation, and now you can see the counter is back to 2, ready to start from the top. The menu also has a handy View Config Info button, which gives you a pop-up of all your settings to make sure everything is correct before you run a big job. And that is how you build a powerful, resumable, and completely no-code PDF generator right inside Google Sheets. This is the perfect tool to stop wasting time and start automating your invoices, reports, or certificates. If you want to get this exact battle-tested script and template for your own business, you can. I've packaged this entire PDF generator, and it's available for purchase on my website. For a small one-time price, you can add this professional, time-saving automation to your toolkit today and save yourself countless hours of manual work. I've put the link to my website right in the description below. If you found this video helpful and want to see more automations like this, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Google Sheets and Apps script tutorials. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what you plan to automate next.